namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good today. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay. So today's pick a card reading is Kali Ma's message for you guys. What you need to know right now, what do Kali Ma wants you to know right now. That is going to be the reading for today. Remember, these are general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. And these are timeless readings also, so whenever you watch this reading, might have a message for you. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition, and then select a crystal or a card that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so for group number 1, this is the card, and we have the amethyst pendulum for group number 1. For group number 2, lapis lazuli. And for group number 3, chakra pendulum. And this card, okay? So close your eyes, relax, and then connect to your intuition and let go of all the worries, and then select a pile that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so the timestamps will be listed in the description box, so you can watch accordingly. And I'm going to start with group number 1. Okay, group number 1, if you chose this amethyst crystal and this card, then let's see what is your message from Kali Ma. And you have drawn the card of Kali Mahamaya. Okay, so what I feel like, Kali is blessing you. Your intuition is very, very strong right now. Trust it. And Kali Mahamaya will not allow you to mislead. Okay, she knows what is best for you, and she is guiding you to the correct path. And your intuition will guide you to the correct path. She is giving you messages. So trust your heart, trust your soul, and move forward with it. Okay, because you're not going to mislead. Clarity is coming your way, a lot of clarity, a lot of answers, but you need to have a lot of patience also. Things might not go very fast. Things will be slow because you're healing, you're going through a deep healing. That is also something I feel like. Maybe you're clearing your past, you're clearing your past karma, you're letting go of the people who are not serving you. Something I feel like that. And it's time to be fearless. It's not the time to be fearful. It's the time to be fearless. It's time to be more courageous, and you know, it takes courage to follow your own heart, right? So that is something I feel like. So Kali Mahamaya is there for you. She is giving you clarity, she is giving you answers. And the lotus, look at the lotus. The lotus is blooming so beautifully here, and the lotus blooms in a muddy environment. So maybe for some of you, you had certain experiences that were not so good, or maybe you're in an environment where people are not so supportive. But the thing is, you are going to shine beautifully. You're going to bloom like a lotus. Okay, no one can stop your shine. Okay, trust that. Okay, because Kali Ma is there with you. She is guiding you, she's giving you clarity, she's giving you answers, she's telling you to be patient, keep patience at this time. And she's telling you that you're very courageous. And there is a lot of expansion happening for you guys. You know, with the third eye opening up for some of you, maybe I feel like your third eye is opening. You're becoming more aware of your circumstances, aware of the universe. You know, you're getting aware of how universe works. Your consciousness is expanding. You're spiritually moving forward. A lot of spiritual growth is also, I feel, for you guys. So you're not here to go with the crowd. You're here to do something different. Okay, trust that. So trust your path. So it will take a lot of courage to go to a path where there are not a lot of people, right? So but trust, because Kali Mahamaya is there with you. She is there with you. You have to trust it, and she gives you messages. So trust your heart, trust your intuition, and go with the flow. Okay, that is something I feel for you guys. Okay, and I feel like you need to look, the next card is success. Yes, no one can stop you from your success. That is something I feel here. and you need to embrace like little bit of more joyfulness, like going out, having, if you have good friends, go out, have fun time with them, like watching a comedy movie, laughing, singing songs, right, doing crazy things, maybe some, you don't have to be so serious all the time. Even if you are progressing spiritually, it doesn't mean that you have to be serious all the time. So what you need to do is like dance, listen to music, dance, enjoy. If you have like a 15-minute break, enjoy, go out, talk to yourself, enjoy life. That is something I feel you need to do right now. And look, we have secret spring success. So if you have been working on something, if you have been putting the efforts, you are going to reap the rewards. The success is there. For some of you, next spring season will be very important. Yeah, there is a lot of, look, with the boat also, you're traveling to a better place. I'm getting the Six of Swords energy, and there is light also here, right? There is a boat, there is a light, right? So you are going to be shown the way. You are not alone. You're not alone. Okay, trust me. Even if you feel like you're alone, there is no one who is guiding you. You are being guided. You're being guided by Kali Ma. Okay. And for some of you, there is hair. I feel like something about hair also I'm feeling. So you maybe you want to do something with your hair, and at the same time you're very fearful. Maybe Kali Ma wants you to know with this message that you can do whatever you want. If you want to color your hair, go for it. Don't stop yourself, because sometimes we stop ourselves because we think what other people will say, or because we assume the bad, right? Oh my god, if I color my hair, I'll not look good. We assume the bad. Instead of assuming the bad, assume the good, that you will look good, you will look very beautiful, and go and do it. Okay, it's the time to do what you like to do. Like if your heart says something to do some childish activities, go for it, do it. Okay. Yeah, flirt. Oh, yeah, it's like extend your light-hearted energy to others. So, I was telling you, like, have fun. If you want to go talk to your crush, go talk. Don't be so caught up in your head. Don't be so fearful. Just speak. Just talk. Just have some fun, right? Sometimes we are so worried about our outcome that we don't enjoy our journey. So it's like, forget about your outcome and just enjoy the journey, because whatever happens, you're going to bloom. Even the outcome is not good, like if it's not even in your favor, you will learn something from that. You will enjoy anyways. You'll be like, oh, whatever the outcome is, I enjoyed this thing, it was very good, I enjoyed talking with this person. So that is something I feel like. So if you're working on some project, you're working, and you have a goal or a desire, instead of putting too much focus on the goal, on the outcome, just enjoy the work you are doing. Okay, that is something. And when you enjoy, when you feel light, when you enjoy your work, when you're happy, that is when you will get the most success. So in case of relationship also, if you are in this flirting stage, don't be so serious about this. Enjoy it, talk, have fun, enjoy the journey. That is something Kali Ma wants you to know, because when you enjoy, that is when the result will also be good, right? When you have to enjoy, you have to look, the next card is about a childlike expression, right? Yeah, with that you need to becoming, it's time to become like a child. Think like a child, like a beginner's mind. So if you're working on certain project and things are not working the way you want, come into this childlike expressions. When we are a child, we don't stress, right? We just play, we enjoy, we don't think what others will think, what was the outcome. We just enjoy the day. That is what here Kali Ma wants you to know. If you want to be very, very successful in your life, the first thing you need to do is let go of your fear and step into your courage and enjoy life. Enjoy, have fun. If you can spend some quality time with your friends and family, go for it. Enjoy. Tell your mom to give you a massage, like a head massage or something like that. I don't know. Like tell your do some childhood activities, or if you have certain activities you used to like doing in your childhood, do that, right? Maybe use clay, make some use clay and do something with clay. I don't know why I'm getting clay. Maybe you like doing that, something like that. Or maybe you like making postcards or whatever. Just do it, enjoy that. Okay. And with the flirt also, in relationship also, even if you are in a relationship that is stable, but if you're in a stable relationship but there is no like fun, have some fun, enjoy, like talk to them, flirt with them, enjoy it. Okay. uh, that is something Kalima wants you to know. Okay. Yeah, we have the Emperor. For some of you, I feel there is a person coming in your life with this flirt also. Maybe this person is a fire sign, this person is very stable in their career, they know what they're doing. And for some of you, it's like you are coming in that position where you have the power, where you have the courage. So I feel like take your power back. It's not the time to give power to others. Okay, with this lotus also, whatever circumstances whatever your circumstance is, you have the power, okay, to make things happen for yourself. So be courageous, take action to your goals, dreams and desires. At the same time, enjoy life. That is what Kalima wants you to know. And she is guiding you, she is giving you the answers. Ask her, ask for help, she will guide you. Okay. And yeah, you need to protect yourself. That is very important, because I feel like there are people around you who are not going to be so in your favor. So it's important you protect your energy. Do meditations, white light meditation, and have a positive attitude. That is also something I feel you need to embrace more into your life, like enjoying, having more optimism, playing with if you have a small child around, play with them, enjoy with them, because they are going to be very healing for you guys. Or if you have a pet, enjoy time with them, talk to them like you talk to a child, like enjoy that is very important here. Okay. And you don't have to be serious all the time, you don't have to think about your work, about your future all the time. You can enjoy, be in the moment. Okay. That is something I strongly feel for you guys. With this flirt card also, like sometimes you become very ambitious, sometimes you are always thinking about work, you are not taking free time. If that's the case, I feel like you need to take some free time. Okay. For some of you, you want to change your wardrobe, just go for it. If you want to transform something about you, go for it. If you want to do this nose piercing, go for it. Okay. So don't stop yourself because of other people. If you feel like doing it, go for it. Okay. It's because it's your body. Okay. Maybe for some of you want to have a tattoo, at the same time you're very afraid. No, don't be afraid, everything will be fine. Okay, go for it. Yeah, look, we have Archangel Michael. Trusting heaven, you are safe. Angels, stand close, surrender your concerns and allow a miracle to occur. So yes, it's time to surrender your concerns. You give it to the Kalima, you give it to Archangel Michael. All you need to do is enjoy the journey. Be like a child. Be like a child. Have a beginner's mind. Like if something is not working, have a beginner's mind. Start with a beginner's mind, right? That is something I feel like. And when we do that, that is when you will enjoy the journey. Sometimes we are so caught up in this goals outcome that we don't enjoy the journey. So it's just enjoy it. That is something I'm strongly feeling. And when you enjoy, when you do your work with passion, when you enjoy your work, and when you don't expect anything, that is when the magic will happen. But you're very, very protected. We have this protective energy, and we have Archangel Michael. So call upon Archangel Michael for protection. He is going to definitely protect you with this, because there is surround yourself with protective energy. And when we have Archangel Michael helps us to cut the codes from the past, protect us from bad energies. So just call upon him. He is with you. And with this red color, your passion. What is your passion? What you're passionate about? Go for it. Don't, maybe for some of you, you want to give auditions, but at the same time you're so fearful what will happen. You're thinking, oh my god, even if I give an audition, I might fail. So you don't even go to the audition. Don't do that, because of the fear of because of the fear of failing, we don't do things, right? So don't let that happen. Just go for it. Whatever the outcome is, but you will learn something from it, right? So go for it. Don't let your fear stop you. Okay. And we have 5 of swords, and then we have wheel of fortune. So I feel like, you have encountered a lot of lot of people who are not so encouraging, who always discourage you, or you might have dealt with a lot of people who always take take advantage of you, and maybe because of it you don't trust people easily. But that is changing. I feel like there are people entering in your life who will change your mentality also, something like that. I feel like, good friendships is also something is happening for you guys. Good friendship, good relationships also. With this flirt card, that is also something I feel like good people are entering your life. You're, with this 5 of swords and the wheel is turning, like it's like the your past, you're letting go of the past experiences, you're moving towards a better future. Okay. So don't take your, you're overcoming your past, you're overcoming your challenges, but at the same time don't carry the baggage of your past, don't carry all the burdens from the past, let it go. Okay. Don't care, for some of you, you might be cutting a lot of people, right? Like when we are a child, we are so honest. If we don't like someone, we will say, I don't like you, right? So maybe it's time to do that. If you don't like someone, don't talk to them, or just cut them, because if you're not getting good energy from them, protect yourself. That is also important. I feel like you're very, very protected from these kind of people. Okay. And you're turning your back to these kind of people, and you're moving forward with your goals, dreams, desire, and Kali Ma is guiding you. So that's the main message. I feel like Kali Ma is telling you to listen to your heart, let go of that worry. Clarity is coming, answers are coming, success is there, but enjoy the journey, and you're very protected. Okay. And I feel like with this 10 number also, and 5 number is all about changes, and we have 10, it's like the cycle. A chapter is ending, a new chapter is beginning, right? So enjoy it. So that's the message for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. My lovelies, group number 2, if you've chosen this lapis lazuli, let's see what is your message. And you have this card Guriya Kali, and the number 28, it is like reduces to 10 number, and 10 is all about completing a cycle, a new beginning, right? So for some of you, what I feel like, you are getting answers to everything. You're getting your clarity, you're getting the messages, secrets are coming out, truths are coming out. Okay. Your intuition is going to be on point. Okay. And with this lapis lazuli is also about communication, right? You're receiving communication, you're getting the truth about other people, you're getting your truth, you're getting your answers, you're getting your clarity. Okay. So that is something I feel like. Okay. So, and I feel like this is also a message to not disclose your intuition. If you feel intuitively if you feel like, oh my god, this person is not correct for me, or if you feel like that, that is a message from Kali Ma. So don't discard your intuition. That is something I feel like. At the correct time, you are going to receive answers. So if you have a question right now in your mind, if you don't know what to do, if you're confused, if you are in that phase of your life right now where you need answers, the answers are coming. Okay. So that is what Kali Ma wants you to know right now. The answers are coming. Everything is going to be revealed at the correct time. When you will be ready, it will be revealed. The communication will happen. Okay. So for some of you, if you're waiting for a communication, that is also, I feel like that is also happening for you guys. And a lot of knowledge is also something I feel like you're going to gain a lot of knowledge, a lot of wisdom. Your perception about life is going to change. You're going to change a lot. Okay. So something about that also. A lot of development spiritually also, because we have this lapis lazuli also. I'm getting this crown chakra vibe also for you guys. So you're expanding your consciousness. Okay. And yes, a secret is going to be revealed, and you need to know right now what is it. All you need to know right now is that secret will be revealed. You will know the truth. Okay. So don't worry, everything is going to come to you at the correct time. And don't disclose your intuition, okay? If you feel something very strongly, don't disclose it, okay? Don't disregard it, or you don't close off, okay? Oh wow, we have the love. Okay, for some of you, definitely there is a lot of love. It can also be about self love, that you're taking care of yourself. You're listening to your own heart. Um, you're you're taking your power back. Yeah, this is something I feel. And with this Venus energy, a lot of luxury also, something I feel like you're going to enjoy your life, you're going to enjoy your spiritual practices, you're going to enjoy your relationships, okay? Or maybe it's a message to enjoy things, enjoy all the luxury things that you have, enjoy. If you have a new car, enjoy driving. If you have a new home, enjoy living in that space. Instead of thinking about your future, oh my god, I have so much abundance, others don't have that much. Instead of thinking like that, enjoy it, be grateful for all the things you have. And for some of you, you are manifesting a lot of luxury into your life, a lot of love, a lot of wealth also, I feel like, okay? So definitely you're manifesting answers, you're getting clarity, you're manifesting a lot of spiritual development, you're manifesting a lot of love from spirit guides. I feel like a lot of spirit guides, spirit guides, your angels, guardian angels are all around you. They are giving you a lot of love, they're showing you a lot of signs. So yeah, slowly, at the correct, when you will need it, you will get your answers. Trust it, okay? A lot of communication also. Oh, this could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. And interesting, we have the love also, right? For some of you, and interestingly, you got Ace of Cups also. So Ace of Cups, for me, Ace of Cups is also about filling your own cup and then giving it to the other people, right? So for some of you, it's like all about self love, taking care of yourself, filling your own cup, doing the needed exercise, taking break from work, enjoying the materialistic things that you have manifested in your life, enjoying long drives, doing things by yourself, going to a spa, taking care of yourself. That is something I feel like you need to do right now. And a lot of emotions, with this Ace of Cups, and this could be the one. Maybe for some of you are manifesting a love relationship. Maybe you have already met this person. If you have already met this person, this is a confirmation from spirit, from Kalima, that this could be the one, okay? You don't have to fear about it, you don't have to stress about it, or you don't have to think about your past relationships. And sometimes we do that. Maybe you have bad experiences with a relationship, and we feel like that, oh my god, what if this person will be the same like that. Don't think like that, don't assume negatively, okay? Be positive about it, because this is confirming that this person could be the one, okay? If you are already in a relationship, what I feel like that the relationship is going to grow, and for some of you it can be a friendship also that is going to grow. But there is a lot of love, a lot of family support, a lot of love. But more importantly, what I feel like, it's time to take care of yourself. Do the spiritual practices you need to do. Relax, meditate, do yoga, eat healthy, have a balanced diet. Take care of your own emotions first, and then then support others. First you need to take care of yourself, and when we take care of ourselves, when we love ourselves, that is when we can take best care of others, okay? Otherwise we will not be able to. So that is something is coming here. And we have the enlightenment, and I told you about crown chakra, and we have this blues, here, and blues and purples. So yeah, so your perception about life is changing. I told you a lot of answers are going to be revealed to you. So take care of yourself, take care of your mind, body, soul, meditate, ground your energy. The way you're thinking is going to shift for you guys. So maybe if you have a problem right now, there will be a completely different solution happening, creative solution. You're going to be very creative. If you're in a creative field, definitely you're getting a lot of messages, creative messages. Take that, move with it. So you're going to be very clear, okay? That is something I feel like. If you're feeling very clouded right now, no, you're not going to be very clouded. All the confusion is going to go, the fogginess is going to go, and everything will be very cluster. Oh my god, I'm sorry. It will be very clear, okay? So yeah, things are going to get clear for you guys, and you're moving forward. You're spiritually, I feel like a lot of growth is coming for you guys. Definitely a lot of love from spirit guides, from your angel, guardian angel, love from your relationship, receiving a lot of love. The reason is you're loving yourself, and when we love, that is when we receive a lot of love. Okay. And I'm getting this rainbows also. The worst is over. The truth, this truth, even though sometimes truth are tough, but you will be like glad that truth came out, so a lot of revelation is going to happen. And you have Kali Ma. Wow, yeah, she is with you. Definitely she is helping you. She's she's strongly with you. Group number 2, she is there for you. She is helping you, she is working with you, she is giving you the courage. And yeah, embrace all, whenever you feel happy, enjoy that moment. Sometimes what happen, when we laugh too much, we get scared. Oh my god, I'm laughing too much, maybe something bad will happen. Don't think like that. Just enjoy yourself. If you're alone, enjoy it. Okay, if you're in a relationship, enjoy it. There's so much of divine love. I'm getting divine love. Divine is loving you, divine is giving you messages. They are there with you. Okay, and you're making a lot of changes in your life. Spiritual, I feel like you're changing your daily routine. You're taking care of yourself, your habits, and yes, and all this thing will the changes you're making will be very beneficial for you guys in the future. With this light, the lamp, maybe for some of you, you are lighting lamps, you're praying. Everything is going to be good, guys. You're going to be very strong, and things are going to progress for you guys. In a relationship, if you want progress, that is going to happen, because you will receive a lot of answers. And when we have answers, then we can do whatever we want. We will be so clear. So that is something I feel. And then we have like trust in the unknown, Sky Father, and we have the eagle. Your perception is changing, you're getting a higher perspective, higher view. And we have the crown chakra also, so your view is expanding. You're letting go of that limited beliefs, the society standards and all. You're not thinking about it, and you have a higher view about things. When we have a higher view, we can solve all our problems. So that is something I feel like. So trust in the unknown. Don't doubt yourself, don't be fearful, don't think too much about your future, because everything is going to be okay. And for some of you, there is a healing happening with father. That is also, I feel like maybe you will receive answers about it, maybe about your father, maybe something you will receive, and because of it you will heal that relationship, because we have this healing card also, the star card also. After the tower, maybe for some of you, you have gone through a tower moment. Now it's the time of healing. Now it's the time of time of healing yourself, loving yourself, taking care of yourself, mending relationship, mending yourself, right? So then finally believing in love again, finally believing in yourself again, taking care of yourself. Because of this tower moment, you are now doing the things you always wanted to do. You're taking care of yourself, healing for some of you your health. You're healing your health, you're healing your relationship, finances also. I feel like for some of you, financial healing is happening, and for others also, I feel like you're transforming from outside. You're taking care of yourself, you're shining, you're becoming more confident. And when we are confident, that is when we shine, that is when we become more beautiful. So that is something I feel. And look at the colors, we have this blue and purple, we have this blue here, we have this blue here, we have this purple here, the colors. And I feel like the more the chakras that are activating for you guys is the crown chakra and third eye chakra. Your view is changing, your perception about life is changing, you're seeing things, you're seeing the truth, you're going to see the truth. Okay, and when we see the truth, we know what we need to do, and you're going to be very clear of things. You have this eagle view, and I feel like you're claiming your power, you're having that freedom. You can fly above the clouds. Okay, so yeah, you're not going to stop. Because of your fear, you're not going to stop yourself, you're moving forward. Okay. So definitely for this pile, strong Kali Ma is there with you. Maybe you believe in her, you pray to her. definitely she is working with you. She is telling you to be fearless and move forward with your plans, okay? And all the answers, secrets are being revealed, truth is being revealed, answers are coming, okay? So that's all for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Hello my lovelies, hello group number 3. If you chose this chakra pendulum and this card, then this is your message from Kali goddess, and you have chosen Kali Kapali. You know, we have this mala of skulls, right? So you are releasing your pain. I feel like Kali Ma is telling you that she is there for you. She will be there for you all the time, lifetime after lifetime. She is there for you. She is listening to your prayers, and you know, then if you have been going through a negative situation in your life, there is a possibility that will return into a positive situation. So it's like balance is going to be restored. It's like a blessing in disguise for you guys, okay? You're ending your pain. I feel you're overcoming all your past problems. You're ending a chapter, a cycle. You know, maybe for some of you, you have been repeating a pattern. It's ending for you guys, okay? And definitely if you're going through a problem right now, you will get a solution to that problem, and it will turn out good. So don't overthink, don't over stress about it, because everything is going to be positive, and she is with you. And definitely with this 8 number, a lot of abundance is also, I feel, for you guys, and infinite possibility. So if you have lost an opportunity in the past, you will get a good opportunity, best opportunity, better than the last one, okay? So yeah, we have joy, like, yeah, hummingbird spirit, joy, a lot of joyful times are coming. And look, the number 22, and 22 is an angel number. Your angels, your guardian angels are there for you. They are with you. They are telling that more joyful times. Good news is also something I feel for you guys. Maybe for some of you have lost a loved one, or maybe you have lost an opportunity, maybe a relationship, something that was dear to you has been taken away from you, or maybe because of it you are in pain. For some of you, I feel like you are in a pain right now, and time will heal that pain. You are going to move forward with your life, okay? There's a lot of happy times, there is a lot of good times coming for you guys, like a lot of good news. Maybe for some of you, you will receive a good news, and because of it, that negative situation might go away. Yeah, the strong thing is about this message is that the negative situation is going to resolve, and it will become a positive one, okay? And for some of you, if you have lost maybe for some of you, your lost loved one may visit you in the form of hummingbird. Maybe you are seeing hummingbird. Maybe that's a message from your ancestors or from the lost loved one. They are telling you they are with you, that joyful times are coming. You're going to heal this pain, and you're going to move forward, okay? Yeah, a lot of good news, also a lot of joy, a lot of optimism, a lot of happiness. That is what I feel like. So trust in yourself, believe in your own powers, guys. Believe in your own capabilities, believe in your own talents, skills. Maybe for some of you, you feel like that your talents and skills are not that great, or you doubt yourself. Don't do it, don't doubt yourself, okay? So retreat, okay? This is time to disconnect from the world. So for some of you, you will be going in this hermit energy, where you will be thinking about things, you will be meditating, you'll be grounding your energy. For some of you, you might be having a good time with your partner, like going on a vacation, having some time. That is also something I feel like you will be spending some quality time with yourself. Maybe a vacation is also something I feel for you guys. Or maybe you will be sitting at home enjoying your alone time, thinking through things, and you will get creative solutions. So if you are in a creative field, you will be getting a lot of ideas. So yeah, so I feel like you'll be retreating yourself from the world and connecting with yourself, inner self, okay? And that is something that is great. Maybe you'll be studying, you will be you will be studying, yeah, because we have this fulfillment card, and Ganesha is like studying, right? So you're going to study, you're going to read a lot of books, you're going to get a lot of knowledge. And of course, knowledge is very important. Knowledge, the more, if you have a lot of knowledge, it's good. It's this is the time to read books, to get all the knowledge. If you want to read something, take that time off, spend some quality time with yourself. So yes, maybe for some of you, you are preparing for exams or something like that. Take some quality time, do that. Everything will be in your in your favor. Okay, read that because knowledge is very important. And yeah, it's a time of gaining a lot of knowledge, a lot of wisdom, a lot of guidance. Maybe for some of you, you will meet a mentor, and that they will give you a lot of advice or guidance, or maybe they will recommend books for you guys, and you will be learning it. So a lot of acquiring of knowledge, I feel like that. Maybe from spirit also, you are getting different perspective because you're retreating, you're meditating, you are getting new ideas, new creative solutions. Maybe for some of you, you are doing automatic writing, and because of it, you are getting a lot of new creative things. Maybe for some of you are interested in writing a book or something like that. Maybe you are into writing. That is also quite possible. But don't go, but you need to spend some quality time with yourself. That is also coming through. So when you are with your, when you are alone, that is when you're very creative, and you get a lot of ideas. And yeah, that is when you work faster. That is also something I feel like. So enjoy your quality time, learn, because knowledge is something that no one can take away from you, and knowledge is very important. Okay, so study. If you are interested in reading a book, go for it. Okay, and this knowledge will fulfill your soul also. You'll be very happy when you're learning new things, when you're maybe for some of you learning occult information or whatever you're learning, you'll be feeling very good about it. Okay, so yeah, it's time to move forward with your goals, desires. Don't be in a hurry burry, with this retreat card, retreat card. Take your time and then take action. Don't be in a hurry burry with this Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords is an energy where they don't think too much and just take action. So instead of doing that, think through, like learning, thinking about it, then going forward with your goals and dreams. Yeah, we have, look, hunter, track down your fears and desires. So you have desires, at the same time you have a lot of fears also. So whenever you are feeling fearful, it's time to cut that fear. So you are like, I feel like you have a lot of fears, like, oh my god, if I take action, what, like with Knight of Swords also, you might feel like that. Oh my god, what if I take action and if things doesn't work out the way I want? So you have desires, at the same time you have a lot of fears, and because of it, maybe for some of you, you're not following the path because of your own fears. Maybe you want to get into a new relationship, at the same time you have fear. So don't let that fear stop you from attaining your goals. Maybe you're coming in between your desires, your dreams. So don't let that fear come in between your dreams and desires. That is something you need to know right now. Okay, Kalima is telling everything will be okay. Positive things are coming your way, positive news are coming your way in a relationship. If you're single, if you want to get into a new relationship, let that fear go and then take action. Think through. So whenever you are feeling like that, write down your fears. That it will be very good, so you can know what your fears are, and that way you can change it, right? And you can understand what is coming in between your dreams and desires, so you can let go of that. Okay, and yeah, we have four of wands. So I feel like if you have certain issues in your family, right, in your family, if there has been problems, I feel like you're healing your family problems, family issues, you're healing. Maybe you have fear related to your family, you're healing that. Things are coming together, celebrating. Maybe for some of you, you'll be celebrating some sort of achievement, some sort of celebration might be happening in your family very soon. But you're becoming more stable, secure. Maybe in your relationship, for some of you, you are taking some time off, you're taking a break, and because of this break, you will have a new perspective, and because of it, things will change. They will take their time, you will take their time, and because of it, you will come together as a family. Like, you will resolve things by yourself, and you will understand that you are meant to be together, not separate. Sometimes you need that space. I feel like you will take that space and then come together as a family. For some of you, you will, as a couple, you will go to a vacation, spend some quality time there and celebrate. That is also something I feel like. But whatever, if you have relationship problems, that is going to resolve. If you have financial problems, that is going to resolve. So whatever negative things you're going through right now, it is going to resolve, and it will lead to celebration. So just all you need to do is to track down your fears. What is coming in between your desires? It's your own fear. So track it down, let it go, and move forward confidently. And knowledge is something that you are going to acquire this time. You're going to get a lot of knowledge, you're going to read a lot of things, you are going to acquire that. So be grateful for that. And if you have a teacher, be grateful for that teacher, and speak your truth. Okay, voice of truth, stand strong, focus on your purpose, release the fear of persecution, and speak your truth. So if maybe for some of you, you want to do something that is quite different from other people, maybe you want to study more, or whatever you want to do, speak your truth. In a relationship also, you have to tell your desires. I expect this from a relationship. Don't Sometimes we don't speak our truth, and that's when the problem happens. There happens miscommunication. So you need to speak your truth. You need to tell them what you expect from them. You need to, and then come to a conclusion that is beneficial for both the parties, right? So that is something you need to do. So for a happy home life, you need to communicate your things. If you want to do something by yourself, communicate. Maybe they might support you, or you can come into a conclusion that will be beneficial for both, right? So that is something you need to do. And the only thing that you need to know right now, you need to work on right now, is your own fears, because I feel like your fear is coming between your desire. So track it down, let it go. And this is all fear, this is all your assumption, negative assumptions, right? So you need to let go of that, okay? Because there is a lot of joy, a lot of good news happening for you guys, and Kali Ma is there with you. She is turning all the bad situations into negative situations into positive ones. Like, I'm getting a blessing in disguise. Maybe for some of you, lost an opportunity or something, and you're like, oh my god, why I lost this? But in the future, you will know why you lost it, because there was something more better than that. Okay, so yeah, that's something I'm feeling like. So do yoga, you do meditation if it's possible, spend alone time, because that is when you work better, best, get a lot of ideas, and take break if you can. Enjoy life. That is the theme for these three piles, like to enjoy, to be more optimistic, to have that childlike energy, to enjoy, like go, maybe for some of you, I even feel like that even if you go on a vacation, you think about your work, you don't enjoy it. So when you're going on a vacation, just enjoy the vacation, don't think about your future, be in the present moment, enjoy, see the things, enjoy nature, or enjoy the view, right? So do that, enjoy the company of your partner, laugh, eat. Okay, so that is something I feel. Bye bye, take care guys.